Volusia County Sheriff Mike Chitwood, and I'm here at Bruce ROSSMEYER'S Destination Daytona with the ROSSMEYER family to invite you to our Motorcycle Skills Challenge on November 3rd of this year. We have over 100 law enforcement riders who will be participating in this event, coming from states like Florida and Texas, North Carolina, South Carolina, New York, and New Jersey. The purpose of this is a fundraiser for the Florida Sheriff's Youth Ranch and the Volusia County Sheriff's Youth Programs. It's an outstanding event. Come out on November 3rd. There are plenty of shops, there are plenty of activities, and you get to see the best of the best law enforcement riders in motorcycle competition. And along the way, you get to wander through this magnificent warehouse filled with motorcycles.